Hello dear student. In second part we will understand the unit of force which we have studied in the first part, the what is the meaning of force. Now we are going to understand the unit of force and its some conversion. So we have studied SI unit of force is Newton, and 1 Newton is equal to SI unit of force is Newton. SI unit of force is Newton. And 1 Newton is equal to 1 kg meter second inverse square. Okay, so CGS unit of force died. CGS unit of force, CGS unit of force is dyne. Simply dyne. So it means that dyne is smallest or smaller than Newton. Okay, since it is a CGS unit, Newton से ये छोटा होगा, तो 1 Newton में कितने डाइन होंगे? How much dynes will come in 1 Newton? We will explain it. Firstly, let us understand what is 1 dyne. 1 dyne means, take the unit in CGS format. 1 dyne means take the unit in CGS format. kg. You have already understand in class 9 that SI unit of mass is kg, while CGS unit of mass is gram. So you will take gram g. M meter length. SI unit of unit of length is meter. So CGS unit you will take centimeter. Second will be same as it is. Second plus square. So 1 dyne is equal to 1 gram centimeter second inverse square. So now we will find the relation between 1 Newton and 1 dyne. So 1 Newton is equal to 1 kg meter second inverse square. Okay, or we know that 1 kg is equal to 1000 gram. 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. So we will put it simply in this formula: 1000 gram into 100 centimeter into second inverse. Okay, so we will get that 10 to the power 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 10 to the power 5 gram centimeter second inverse. This will be is equal to 1 Newton. 1 Newton is equal to 10 to the power 5. This will become 1 dyne. So 10 to the power 5 dyne. Okay. Now let us understand types of forces. On the basis of changes, there are 2 types of forces. That is balanced force or unbalanced force. On the basis of some changes, if we are applying force on any body and I am finding that there is a change in the body, it means definitely the force applied on the body is an unbalanced force. Basically, there are 2 types of force on the basis of changes caused by the applied force. That is balanced force and unbalanced force. If we are saying that a body which had applied more than two forces and there is no change in the body, it means that the resultant force on that body is zero, which is change. That's why there is no change on the body. That is called what? Balanced force. Unbalanced force. If we are applying some force or many forces on a particular body and we are still finding that body is changing its state of condition, either it is in rest, it started moving, or either it is in motion, it started moving faster than earlier, then the resultant force is something there, not zero, but something there, which is causing the change. That's why that force is called as unbalanced force. Again, there is another type also force have, which is simply based on contact. If I am applying some force somewhere or some body, if I am applying some force on this duster, simply we cannot apply force on this duster without being in contact with the duster. It means the force applied by me on this duster is a contact force. Simply, are you able to understand that? Means force applied on a body needs a contact. That force is called as contact force. If we applying force on another body without being in contact, that force is called as a non-contact force. Where we find non-contact force? If we move one magnet and the another magnet will definitely move without being in contact. If in the region of magnetic field, definitely it will move. Then that force is a non-contact force. Another example of non-contact force is electrostatic force. Two charges of different kind attract each other, same kind will repel each other. Definitely they are applying some force on each body. That force is what? Non-contact force. Okay.